Imagine waking up and realizing your brain has been secretly editing your memories, lie about what you want, and deciding what you notice before you ever get a say. That's not science fiction. That's how your mind actually works. Every single day, your brain quietly bends reality just enough so you can function, and most people never notice it happening. Before we dive into these insane human behavior and brain facts, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. If you enjoy understanding why you think, feel, and behave the way you do, this channel will literally change how you see yourself and everyone around you. Now, let's expose what your brain has been hiding from you. First, your brain is lazy in a very smart way. It hates wasting energy, so it creates mental shortcuts. Little rules that help you make fast decisions without thinking deeply every time. That is why you judge people in seconds, trust some information without checking, or repeat the same habits on autopilot. Your brain is constantly asking, how can I do this with the least effort possible? That's useful for survival, but it also makes you biased and sometimes completely wrong while still feeling absolutely sure you're right. Second, your brain edits your memories like a video creator edits a vlog. You do not replay memories. You rebuild them. Each time you remember something, your brain mixes the real event with your current emotions, beliefs, and even things you heard later. Over time, the story changes, but it still feels 100% true. That's why two people can swear they remember the same event in totally different ways, and both feel like they're telling the truth. Third, your brain loves patterns so much that it will see them even when they don't exist. This is why you might think, I was just thinking of my friend, and they called. This must mean something. Your brain remembers the times it was right and quietly forgets the thousands of times you thought of someone and they did not call. It is not magic. It is your brain hunting for meaning in chaos because randomness makes it uncomfortable. Fourth, your emotions are often in control before your logic even wakes up. In many situations, your body reacts first, heart racing, sweaty hands, tight chest, and your brain scrambles to create a story to explain it. You think you decided to be angry, scared, or jealous, but often your nervous system fired first and your thoughts came later to justify the feeling. You don't always think your way into feelings. Sometimes you feel your way into thoughts. Fifth, your brain is obsessed with other people's opinions, even when you say you don't care. Being rejected or ignored activates some of the same brain areas as physical pain. That is why being left out, ghosted, or embarrassed can hurt so deeply. Your brain treats social survival almost like physical survival, which is why fitting in can feel more important than being happy or honest. Finally, here's the craziest part. Your brain filters reality before you even see it. Right now, there are millions of pieces of information around you, sounds, colors, sensations, but your brain only lets a tiny percentage into your awareness. You don't see the world as it is. You see the world as your brain thinks you need it to be. If you want more episodes where we break down human behavior and brain secrets like this, subscribe right now and comment more brain facts so you don't forget.